Alright, y'all, here they are. Got them cut down to the two different sized PCBs we're going to be using. And one of the first things that I noticed is there's that haze from the epoxy that seeped in. I think if I were to ever do this again, I would use masking tape on the copper side and then stack the micarta. And then once it's all done, peel the masking tape off. That'll leave a fresh copper. But since I'm going to laser engrave this, I think I'm going to try it as is and hope that the laser burns off the epoxy. Just looking for an even coat. Well, y'all, it just came off the laser. This is the denim micarta, the Samsung flat pack lithium polymer copper. And it looks like the paint stuck to the copper, but the copper delaminated from the micarta. So there's problem one. Problem two is it warped. And I don't know if that was due to the heat of the laser, or the glue. I don't know what went on. But, you know, just another way not to make a light bulb, I guess. This process is pretty cool though, and it does work for regular PCBs. I just need to figure out what type of resin they use if I ever do this handmade again. This board, to have somebody else make it, it's like $250 plus shipping, which is, I don't know, 25, 30 bucks for shipping. Or I could just buy, you know, a bucket full of copper clad, which is probably what I'm gonna do. Keep it mostly commercial. But there you have it. It was a fun experiment. And here's what we look like about a minute, 2 minutes after scrubbing it with a toothbrush and some Dawn dish soap. I'm trying to get my thumb as a balance thing. There we go. As you can see, some of the copper is cracked from when I cut it. So that might have contributed a little bit. The fact that I didn't use acetone to degrease the copper before putting it into the micarta could have contributed to it as well. Peel it up just to the corner here to see what happened. Fun, fun, fun. See, in comparison, I don't know if this is 1 ounce or 2 ounce copper, but this is commercial copper clad. Same spray paint. This stuff's a little bit thinner, if anything, but it did not, the board didn't curl. It remained flat. Maybe that's the biggest difference between the denim and the fiberglass, is the fiberglass doesn't absorb the heat, but the denim does. And so it acts as a heat sponge.